Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no game. So in order to fix this, let's go back, click on our profile icon, move to the settings, select Family, Parental Controls, and right here we can either disable parental controls entirely by typing in your PIN right here, or move to the Apps and Games, enter your PIN code right here, and increase PG to at least 16. Click Save, go back, let's try fighting Call of Duty again, and it's right here when we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.